Today's fountain pen unboxing channels the daring and the bold. This is the Stipula Davinci Capless fountain pen, but they just released this new version that is amazing. This is the Caribbean. Inside your classic Stipula box and packaging, you do have that false bottom where you'll get your ink cartridge and your information about the brand and the warranty and everything you need to know about how to make sure your fountain pen is in good shape for a long time. This new limited edition Caribbean fountain pen features a theme of skull and crossbones. The deep, deep red of that pen's barrel is revealed through these detailed crossbone cutouts in the ruthenium overlay. And that deep red is echoed in the bottom of the barrel as well as the rings featured in the pen design. And this is a look at Stipula's patented capless mechanism. To activate the nib, you simply twist the barrel, and it reveals the 14 karat gold Stiflex nib. And of course, to retract it, you simply reverse the twist. And this collection's unique mechanism is a nod to the ingenuity of Leonardo da Vinci, and that's why the collection is named after him. It's also a cartridge converter filling system, and to access that, you simply remove the barrel from the section. The pen comes with a converter already installed, and you can remove the converter and insert the ink cartridge that's included with the pen as well, if you prefer using an ink cartridge. The final touch on this pen is the pen clip, so let's take a look at that. Let me put this pen back together so we can get the full effect while we check out the details on this pen clip. The pen is covered in crossbones, but the pen clip is where you'll find the skull and crossbones, and it's in gold. Thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Come shop at penchalet.com.